Hi, today I am going to be talking about percentage. So what is percentage? Percent means parts over 100, and the symbol for percentage is this red symbol here. So let's take this 100 square grid. You got 10 parts on this side and 10 parts on the other side. So a total of 100 parts for this square grid. Now, if we shade half of this 100 square grid, so you've shaded 50 of it, 50 out of 100, and that is your percentage, 50%. So for percentage, the denominator has got to be 100. Now, if we have this shape again, so I color 25, so that will be 25 over 100, and that's your 25%. If I color only 3 of the squares, that will be 3 out of 100, and that's 3%. That's easy enough. So what about now if we're going to have a shape which hasn't got 100 parts in it? So we can see that 4 out of 10 of the shape is colored. So we're going to make that into percentage. Like, what is the percentage of this shape which are colored blue? So you want to make the denominator 100. So you're going to find a number which you multiply by 10 by it, you'll get 100. So you have 10. So you multiply 4 by 10 as well, you get 40, and that is 40%. So there's a rule in equivalent fractions that whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do the same to the numerator, and likewise. Now what about if your shape has only 5 parts? You shaded here 1 out of 5. So we want to make the denominator 100. So we multiply 5 by 20 to make 100. And again, do the same to the top. So you have 1 times 20. That will give you 20 over 100. And that's 20%. Okay, so that's straightforward enough. Now let's have a little exercise here. So you got 3 questions. I want you to pause the video, work it out, and press play again when you're ready and compare with the answers. So you have 5 over 50. You want to make the denominator 100. So you multiply that by 2, give you 100. Do the same to the numerator. So 5 times 2 is 10. So you have 10 over 100, and that is your 10%. Now for the denominator, 25, you want to multiply by 4 to make it into 100. Do the same to the top number, and that will have 44. So you have 44 over 100, or 44%. The third number is a little tricky because it's already got 100 on the denominator, so you just write 7%. So that ends our tutorial now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.